Welcome to this guide on motorcycle preventative maintenance, ensuring your ride is safe and reliable. Always work on a cold engine and ensure your motorcycle is on a stable stand on a level surface. Wear protective eyewear and gloves. Never use an open flame near fuel. Always consult your owner's manual for specific details. Part 1 is the Daily Pre-Ride Quick Check, also known as T-CLOCS. This quick check prevents disaster before every ride. 4 tires and wheels. Check tire pressure when cold, referring to your manual for correct PSI. Inspect tread depth. Look for foreign objects, cuts, or bulges, and check valve stems for leaks. Ensure wheels are straight and axle nuts are tight. For controls, check the throttle's operation. It must snap back immediately. Check clutch and brake levers for smooth motion, ensuring cables and hydraulic lines are free of kinks or leaks. Verify proper free play in the clutch and front brake lever, and check steering for smoothness without binding. For lights and electrics, turn on the ignition and check the headlight, tail light, and brake light, activating with both front and rear brakes. Test the turn signals and horn and ensure all dashboard lights and gauges are working correctly. Regarding oil and fluids, check the engine oil level using the dipstick or sight glass, following manufacturer instructions. Inspect brake fluid reservoirs to ensure fluid is between min and max lines and is not excessively dark or cloudy. Check coolant level if liquid cooled, and look for any signs of leaks like oil, fuel, or coolant pooling under the bike. For the chassis, inspect the frame for any visible cracks or damage. Check suspension for leaks around the seals. Ensure all fasteners, especially engine mounts, are tight. Finally, for stands, confirm the side and center stands retract and deploy smoothly. Part 2 covers periodic deep maintenance, checks that go beyond daily inspection and follow a specific maintenance schedule. For drivetrain, specifically chain-driven bikes, thoroughly clean the chain with a dedicated cleaner to remove grit. Once dry, apply chain lubricant evenly. Then, adjust chain tension, ensuring free play is within the manufacturer's specified range. Inspect sprocket teeth for excessive wear. For belt-driven bikes, check belt tension and inspect for cuts or cracks. Next, brakes. Check brake pad thickness. Replace if worn to the indicator mark or less than 2 mm remains. Feel brake disc surfaces for scoring or grooves, and check disc thickness against the manufacturer's minimum specification. Brake fluid absorbs moisture, lowering its boiling point. It should be flushed and replaced completely every 1 to 2 years. For engine and ignition, perform engine oil and filter changes at intervals specified in your manual, typically 3,000 to 6,000 miles. Use the correct motorcycle-specific oil with a JSO MA/MA2 rating. Inspect or clean/replace the air filter, as a clogged filter reduces power. Remove and inspect spark plugs for wear, deposits, and correct gap, replacing them at recommended mileage intervals. Valve clearance inspection and adjustment is an advanced task critical for engine health, typically due every 6,000 to 16,000 miles. Finally, battery and electrical. Check battery terminals for corrosion and use a multimeter to check standing voltage, which should be over 12.6 volts. Also, check charging voltage while the engine is running, usually 13.5 volts to 14.5 volts. Inspect all wiring harnesses and control cables for chafing or fraying. Lubricate control cables as needed. Regular maintenance ensures your motorcycle remains a reliable and enjoyable machine.